Hello. If you're getting this video, that means you were able to sign into Catalyst. Congratulations, you've gotten started. So now this short video will show you how to maneuver throughout Catalyst. I'm going to go through a few of the different tools that we have in here. The first one you'll see is the calendar, and I have that up here on the left corner. Any box that is shaded is when an assignment is due. So for example, you'll see that our first assignment is due on September 30th. And if we click on September 30th, you'll see that there are four items due. Your online introduction, first quiz, practice quiz, and assignment. And you have a few ways of accessing these first assignments or any assignment. One is you could click on it right from the calendar. And this will give you a list of everything that's due on the 30th of September. And we go to discussions and you'll see introductions. And here's my introduction to you. I have my discussion here, and below I put a picture. I'd love it if you put a picture that included yourself so we can see who you are. Also, you have information here. Here are announcements. When I send out an announcement to you, it'll post here and it goes out to your email, and you'll have discussions, and this is where we put most of our homework questions. I don't answer homework questions. When you send them to me via email, I say, that's a great question. How about posting it in the discussions? I do want you to send me any personal email that shouldn't be made public. So you'll see, for example, the first one is Chapter 1 Q&A. And if we click on this, this is where you would use the discussion question to post any questions that you have on Chapter 1. Either on the homework or on getting started, and I'm hoping that you will reply to your classmates. We're all here to succeed together. Going back now, you can go down. I have resources, a few that you might want to look at. Immediately are the videos. These are the iTunes videos, either without captioning or with captioning. Also, I've posted a link to the past 3-quarter exams. So when you click on that, you'll see that here are the exams that several of us worked together and we used for all of last year. Here's a welcome to you, and here you'll see what you need for exams, homework. And then I'd like you to see in the first week, lesson 1. There are 2 parts to each lesson. There's the video, which is 28 minutes to 30 minutes long, and this message tells you to still watch it. You also have a lesson plan, and this lesson plan will give you information. This is general lessons as well. And you have the links to your homework. In the assignment, there are 3 types of homework. There's a practice. This links to the practice in your textbook, or whether you use the online or you have a hard copy where all the answers are given, and this is to practice on. Then there are homework problems in the textbook to try, again for practice. Once you've completed those, then go to WebAssign where your graded homework is. Here, you could also do week by week by pressing on the week, and it tells you everything that's happening in the first week. For those of you who have a TI-89, on the right side, here's the link to information on how to use the TI-89. In the videos, I use the TI-83 and TI-84. Those whole series, it doesn't matter whether you have a silver edition or a regular edition, a plus edition, they're all used the same way. That if you have any messages, they'll show up here, and anything that's upcoming shows up right in the upcoming events. You can also look at your grades by pressing the grades. Your profile settings, if you'd like to put your profile in, here's some information on your profile. Hopefully you'll put in a picture. That would be lovely so we can all see who you are. If you want to see all of your assignments for the entire quarter, look right here and you'll have all of your assignments along with when they're due and links to get to them. You can also look to find out when all your quizzes are over on the left, all the resources that I've posted. And the reason I'm showing you all of these different options is you have probably 3 places for every single item. If you want to know when an exam is, you can either look on the calendar, as I've shown you on the upper left corner. You can go down into the middle sections. Every week there's information that I have for you. Exam 1 is this week. Tells you, we click on it. It's October 15th, 6:30 in the Media and Learning Center. I encourage you to spend the first day when you have access with this video just exploring the site and go through it, and then get started. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.